Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about water sports, so let's get started. The question you could be asked is, are water sports popular in your country? Yes, water sports are quite popular in my country, especially during the summer months. Or, certainly, water sports have gained significant popularity in my country, particularly as the summer season approaches. Do you like water sports? Yes, I enjoy participating in water sports, as they offer a refreshing way to stay active. Or, I have a fondness for water sports, as they provide an invigorating means of staying physically engaged. What water sports would you like to try in the future? I would like to try kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding in the future. Or, in the future, I'm eager to give kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding a try, to experience the thrill of being on the water. Do you like to spend time in water when you were a child? Yes, I used to love spending time in the water during my childhood, whether at the beach or the pool. Absolutely. During my childhood, I cherished the moments spent in the water, whether it was the local pool or by the seaside. Which do you prefer to spend the holiday by the lake or by the sea? I prefer spending my holiday by the sea, because I enjoy the coastal ambience and the sound of the waves. Or I personally lean towards spending a holiday by the sea due to the affinity for the ocean's atmosphere and the soothing rhythm of the waves. So, that is all the questions today. Next up is our reading passage. It is intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand so that you may incorporate some of this knowledge into your questions if they arise. So I'm going to look slightly to the left, the right, and to read through. Please read along with me. Water sports have become a major attraction for tourists and locals alike, providing an opportunity to embrace nature while reaping the benefits of its physically active lifestyle. Water sports encompass a wide array of activities that take place or in the water. One of the most popular water sports is swimming, which not only offers an excellent cardiovascular workout, but also serves as a fundamental life skill. Additionally, snorkeling and scuba diving allow individuals to explore the underwater world, revealing the beauty and mysteries of marine life. For those seeking thrills, surfing provides an adrenaline rush as surfers ride the waves, testing their balance and agility. In recent years, stand-up paddleboarding, SUP, has emerged as a trendy water sport that appeals to a wider range of enthusiasts. SUP offers a full-body workout and the chance to explore tranquil waterways, from serene lakes to winding rivers. Moreover, kayaking has become a popular choice for adventure seekers, offering opportunities to navigate through scenic water routes and experience the tranquility of nature. Furthermore, water sports encourages social interactions and team building, making them a great way to connect with others. Engaging in water sports not only promotes physical health, but also has mental and emotional benefits. The soothing nature of being near water helps reduce stress and anxiety, offering a therapeutic escape from the demands of daily life. Whether by the sea, along the river, or in lakes, water sports can be enjoyed in various settings. Coastal regions offer opportunities for activities like sailing and surfing, while inland areas provide opportunities like canoeing and fishing. The availability of water sports is vast and diverse, catering to different interests and geographic locations. Whether for relaxation, adventure, or simply staying active, water sports continue to attract people of all ages, promoting physical well-being and deepened connection with nature. Water sports have become an integral part of modern leisure and fitness culture, offering a dynamic, refreshing way to engage with the natural world. I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary that I want you to take away and incorporate into your daily life. Water sports: exhilarating, leisure time, diverse range, engaging, physical activities, preference, fitness levels, attraction, fundamental, cardiovascular workout, scenic, adrenaline rush, agility, therapeutic escape, team building, tranquil, adventure seekers, navigate through, geographic locations, coastal regions, inland areas, availability, integral part, fitness culture, involve soothing, promotes engagement, enthusiasts, scenic waterways, tranquility, connect with, embrace nature, adapt to, physical well-being, mysteries of marine life, dynamic, escape from, attraction, opportunities, sailing, windsurfing, canoeing, fishing, integral, traverse, engaging, enriching, recreation. Lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go at trying to put these in your own words yourself. We have questions, statements, and descriptions. Are water sports popular in your country? Instead, do people in your country enjoy engaging in water-based activities? Do you like water sports? Instead, you could ask, do you have an affinity for activities involving water? Water sports offer an exhilarating way to spend leisure time. Engaging in water activities provides an exciting means of leisure. Many people find a sense of tranquility when they spend time in water. Being in the water often brings about feelings of calmness for numerous individuals. And lastly, paraphrasing descriptions. You're on your own for that one. And as always, thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one.